Hi friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Headspace. We click on settings, then we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will search about Headspace and you will click here on this page. After that you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will click on storage. Here you will click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time. And thank you for your watching and your attention.